Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is going to be a very short video that's going to go in conjunction with the longer video I did when I sprayed the sides of the van to clean it up. We're Mark and V, and this is our adventures. Now I want to show you the inside of the awning. Now hopefully you can see how dirty that is. It's really, really difficult. I think you can see the stains. I can see the stains as I'm coming across. So I'm going to show you it all. Now I've just done the outside, and I wasn't going to make a video of this, but I just done the outside, which was the same. And you can see that it's looking really good. Now what I'm using is this Dryzone Mould Eliminator, and there'll be a link down below. And what I do is I wet it. Then I'm using a fence panel sprayer to apply it. Then I just rub it in. I'll use a smaller one, I think, to rub it in. And then on the top, it just disappeared. So hopefully, it's coming again so you can see it. I'm hoping that it's going to be exactly the same. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to apply it, and then we'll see how we go. And as you can see, I'm just like getting it over pretty much all of it. And wear a mask, and because it stinks. And then I'm just going to use this, and I'm going to start going over it. I think you can see it's already starting to clean, but I'll come back in a little while. You can see what I'm going to do. Takes a little bit of time, so I'll be back in a little while and show you what it's looking like. Well, there we are. I've just power washed it off, and let's come in underneath so you can have a look and see what you think. It's a few little spots, but I think, in all honesty, I think that's a lot cleaner. Got a little repair down here to do next, so gonna figure out how to do that, and we will tell you. So keep your eyes open for that. There'll be a little video on how we repair that. But I think it's, some bits are just stuff that hasn't washed off properly, I think. I don't know. But I think generally that is immensely better, and it's not embarrassing when you wind your awning out, is it? Because it looks all shabby and horrible. And if I just come out the front, so you can, the awning's lower than it should be, but what do you think? I think that looks a lot better. Before I finish this video, I just want to point out, look at the neck on my t-shirt with the bleaches stain, bleached it. That's how powerful that stuff is, so just be aware of that. I don't know what you think, but if you like it, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more little bits and pieces around vehicles or our travels, subscribe to the channel, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video, guys. Look after yourselves. See you later.